Why can some PCB manufacturers deliver in just one day, while others take a week?
They're all PCB factories, so what makes the difference? We don't rely on manual scheduling anymore. Most of our production planning is handled automatically by our smart factory system. Once an order comes in, the system automatically routes it to the right machines and processes. That keeps everything moving efficiently, with almost no waiting time between stages. When you're producing at this speed, maintaining precision becomes even more important. That's why we strictly control every process parameter and keep our equipment regularly calibrated and maintained. Quality control doesn't happen at the end, it's built into every stage of production. Every PCB goes through AOI, flying probe, and electrical testing to make sure it meets our standards. And before shipment, every board is 100% tested. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't move forward. That's how we ensure our customers receive reliable, high-quality PCBs every time.
There's another thing engineers and purchasing teams care about a lot. You shouldn't have to wait days just to get a PCB quote. With PCB Go, you get instant online quoting, professional engineering support, and completely transparent pricing. Upload your PCB files and get a quote instantly.